Palestina mengikuti pameran Sial di Indonesia yang berlangsung di Jakarta. Halo. It's good? Good business?
I will take see so music advice. So I did ask him if you have a lawyer here in Jakarta, should I take reference to I'll wait for his reply then. So hopefully we have some answer. How are you?
What do you offer to Indonesia?
Sorry?
What kind of business do you offer to Indonesia?
We have olive oil.
Oil?
Yes, olive oil. Zaitun.
Oh, Zaitun.
Yeah.
So, there's a...
Palestine.
Huh?
Yeah. Everything we send here is from Palestine.
Palestine, eh?
Yes, the cultural products from Palestine.
Good for Indonesia, yeah?
Yes.
Because most of Indonesia is are Muslim.
Yes.
Okay.
And also olive oil is very good. Very healthy.
This is the first time you joined the Expo Indonesia?
No, this is our second time.
Oh, second. You are in Indonesia?
I am based in Malaysia.
Oh, in Malaysia. Oh, you are join together with him.
Yes. We are from the same company. The company from Palestine.
Oh, I see. Okay.
He's our foreign institutional manager. Sales director.
What's your name?
Sophie.
Sophie. And you?
Nazareth.
Nazareth. Okay. That's good business for Indonesia? Since this morning you open, it's good?
Well, today is only the first day, you know. We are waiting for more people to come, basically. Yeah. Inshallah, it will be better tomorrow.
Okay, yeah.
We expect it to be better tomorrow.
Thank you very much. What do you offer to Indonesia?
Again, please.
What do you offer to Indonesia?
We offer the best ice cream from Palestine. We've been in this business since 1950 and we're exploring new markets, new areas. Indonesia is one of them. Yeah.
Do you think Indonesia potential for you?
Yes, it is. It is a very important market for us. That's why we are here.
The first time you joined the exhibition. What's your name?
Ramsey. And that's ice cream.
You are both from same company, eh?
Yes.
What your business for Indonesia?
Yes, we are looking for a distributor and importer for dates because we are Palestinian and Jordanian company working in dates and olive oil. We are looking to expand our export for this products, dates and olive oil and oil for Indonesia.
Do you think Indonesia is potential market for you?
Yes, sure. For Palestinian product, Palestinian dates, sure it is a big market, and still we have a very small market share in Indonesian market. We should have 100 times more of this market share in Indonesia.
Are you looking partner in Indonesia?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Sure,
Okay.
sure. This is very important for us.
What's your name, please?
My name is Abu Al-Khair and my colleague Dr. Said in Palestine. So we are managers for this company.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah,